Good morning students. This video about cycle test 2 portion and pattern. Date of examination 14/12/2020 on Monday. The given portion are chapter 2 sequences and series. Chapter 2 sequences and series. Here we have given some important exercises alone. Those exercises are from 2.4 to 2.9. The 2.4 comprises sequences, then 2.5 arithmetic sequence, and 2.6 geometric sequence, and arithmetic series, geometric series, like special series. Okay, so these exercises related example problems you are going to learn. Okay, so sequence AP, arithmetic progression, arithmetic sequence, and GP, and AS, arithmetic series and geometric series, and special series. These things you are going to learn. And MCQ, multiple choice question, you have to learn fully in the sense there are there are 15 multiple choice questions were there, so you have to learn 15 one mark questions. Okay, let's move to the next one. Chapter 3, you know that algebra, we have given algebra fully. Okay, so it has nearly it means including multiple choice question, there are 19 exercises. And 5 more questions and 2 more questions in this chapter. So you can give importance to 5 marks in this chapter. Okay, and matrices also here, graph is also here. So learn the chapter properly. It is one of the important chapter in 10th standard. Okay, it contains 19 exercise, so we may expect more questions from this chapter in examination point of view, I am saying. Next, chapter 4 geometry. Here we have given only 2 exercises, exercise number 4.1 and 4.2. Exercise number 4.1 and 4.2. Multiple choice questions from 1 to 10. Only 10 questions. Okay. See, here 15 questions. Second chapter 15 questions. And algebra, in algebra there are 21 marks. Here only 10. Okay. Exercise number 4.1 and 4.2 related to similar triangles concept. Okay, and construction of triangle is also given in this chapter. So, and we added 2 theorems, basic proportionality theorem BPT and its converse. BPT theorem and its converse. You have to learn both theorems. You may expect any one of these 2 in examination. Okay, let's move to the next one. Trigonometry, chapter 6. 6.1 alone, exercise number 6.1 alone. Here one more questions, only 9, 1 to 9 questions. This 6.1 related to identities, trigonometric identities related problems. Okay, right. Next, practical geometry, construction of triangles. The construction of triangles, recently we taught you there are 4 models. First one, median. Median given means how to construct. Next one, altitude. Next one, angle bisector. Then the last one, median is given, find the length of altitude. Find the length of altitude. Okay. So how to find the length of altitude? Actually given is median. Median is given. First we draw the triangle. After that find the length of altitude. Example number 4.17 to 4.19 and exercise 4.2, question number 13 to 17. Okay. The next one, graph. Exercise number 3.15 fully. Okay, quadratic graph. So you have to draw the graph of quadratic equations. So exercise 3.15 fully. So these two are 8 mark questions. This one we didn't give in previous test. So this one you are going to write newly. So learn this properly and better you construct one problem for each model. Okay, there are 4 models. 4 models. Okay, so construct it once. Next, we are going to find how many 1 marks. 15 plus 20, 35. 35 plus 10, 45. 45 plus 9, 54. So total number of 1 marks. Total number of MCQ 54. Okay. So we may ask creative questions also. Creative questions in 1 mark as well as 2 mark also you can expect. Let's move to the question pattern. Question pattern, you know, this is 100 mark test. First choose the correct answer. There are 14 questions. 14 into 1 is equal to 14. So each carries 1 mark. So 14 into 1, 14. Next 2 mark questions. This is 2 marks. Questions from, listen, questions from 15 to 28. Question number 28 is compulsory. Total number of questions from 15 to 28 means 14 questions. Okay. So one of the question is compulsory. So if you left one question from that means you have 13. This out of 13 you have to select any 9 because already one is compulsory question, you answer it. So remaining 13 questions, out of this 13 you have to select any 9. Okay. So how many questions are choices means 4 questions. There are 4 questions for you choice. Like 5 mark questions, answer any 10 questions. 10 into 5 is equal to 50. 10 into 5 is equal to 50. Questions from 29 to 42. This question number 42 is compulsory. So total number of questions 14. So if we neglect one question for compulsory means remaining 13 questions will be there. Out of 13 you have to select any 9. So here also there are 4 questions choices. Okay. Next, answer the following questions. This one question number 48. This 42 means this is 43 and this is 44. Okay, so 43 and 44 either are type. So question number 43 is graph. Two questions will be given, either A or B. You have to answer either A or B, any one. Like practical geometry, question number 44, A and B. Okay, either A or B. So A or B. Write the question number properly. If you are not writing question number, we will not provide you mark. Okay, so question number is very, very important. So total number of questions in your question paper 1 to 44 questions. Total number of questions 44. So after receiving question paper, you have to check whether the question contains 44 questions or not. First verify it. Then you can start from practical geometry and graph. Okay, practical geometry first, after that graph, then 1 mark, 2 mark, 5 mark, like that you have to write. The presentation is very, very important. In previous test, we have evaluated your question, your answer scripts. It was okay. So give your best in this test. So this instruction will be helpful for you. Wish you all the best. Do well. If you have any doubt, you can ask your concerned subject teachers then and there. Best of luck.